Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to explain the hydrolysis of salt students. So if you talk about the hydrolysis of salt students, so let us try to understand what is meaning of it student. So the hydrolysis reaction is a reversible reaction, when anything is going hydrolyzed, it is a reversible process. The equilibrium constant for the hydrolysis reaction is known as hydrolysis constant. It is represented by Kh. Okay. So hydrolysis of salt is the hydrolysis reaction is reversible reaction. The equilibrium constant for hydrolysis reaction is known as hydrolysis constant. It is represented by Kh. The hydrolysis process is reverse reaction. Okay. The hydrolysis process is a reverse reaction of neutralization. The hydrolysis process is a reverse reaction of neutralization. The fraction of the total salt which is hydrolyzed at equilibrium is called degree of hydrolysis. The fraction of the total salt which is hydrolyzed at equilibrium is called degree of hydrolysis. So N is there student. Number of moles of salt hydrolyzed upon total number of moles of salts taken. So the fraction of total salt which is hydrolyzed is at equilibrium is called degree of hydrolysis. First point is there student. Hydrolysis of salts of strong acid and strong base like NaCl, KNO3, Na2SO4, Ki, CSCl, KCl. This type of salt do not undergoes hydrolysis. The aqueous solution of salt is neutral, pH equal to 7, hence they have no action on the litmus. Okay. Next point is their B number student. Hydrolysis salt of strong acid and weak base. For example, ammonium chloride is there, zinc sulfate, aluminum nitrate, ferrous sulfate, magnesium chloride, silver nitrate, zinc nitrates are there. Okay. The cation of the salt undergoes hydrolysis because conjugate acid of weak base is strong. Okay. The action of the salt undergoes hydrolysis because conjugate acid of weak base is strong. So M plus H2O, it is giving rise MOH plus H plus. So KH is MOH plus H plus upon M plus. The aqueous solution of the salt is acidic in nature, like that pH is less than 7. The aqueous solution of the salt turns blue litmus red. The aqueous solution of salt turns blue litmus red. The hydrolysis constant for the salt is given by Kh is equal to Kw upon Kb. Hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and strong base like that is sodium acetate, KCN, NaClO, K2CO3, Na2S, HCOOK, Na2B4O7. So hydrolysis of weak acid and strong base, the anion of the salt undergoes hydrolysis because conjugate base of weak acid is strong. So A minus plus H2O, it is giving Ha plus OH minus. So KH is equal to Ha OH minus upon A minus. The aqueous solution of the salt is basic in nature, so pH is greater than 7. The aqueous solution of salt turns litmus to blue. The hydrolysis constant for the salt given by Kh is equal to Kw upon Ka. Last one is there, hydrolysis of salt of weak acid and weak base. Like, ammonium acetate is there, ammonium carbonate. Both the cation and anion of the salt undergoes hydrolysis because conjugate base and conjugate acid of weak acid and weak base are strong. So, B plus A minus plus H2O. So BOH plus HA. KH is equal to BOH HA upon B plus A minus. The aqueous solution of the salt is first one neutral if Ka of acid is equal to Kb of base. Acidic if Ka of acid is greater than Kb of the base. Basic if Ka of acid is less than Kb of the base. The hydrolysis constant of salt is given by Kh is equal to Kw upon Ka Kb. So this is all about the salt hydrolysis student. First point is salt hydrolysis is a reversible reaction and the equilibrium constant for hydrolysis reaction is known as hydrolysis constant. and represented by KH. And there are so many type of the hydrolysis. For the salts are there, for the strong acid strong base, for strong acid weak base, no, weak acid strong base, and weak acid weak base. So this is all about hydrolysis of salt. Thank you so much for watching, friends.